What will it take to transform a throwaway economy into a circular one? And what is the real value of circularity? So I would like to state the fact that the throwaway economy is basically our current economy. It's based on the industry productive linear process, when the circular economy is by essence a shift from extraction to circulation of productive assets, product, material, anything we do. So basically, what we need to do to actually embrace circularity is to move away from the take, make, and waste linear process and start to embrace the circle of nature. Because the circular economy is basically mirroring nature, where we are in symbiotic circle and we are nested at the heart of our planet and living systems. And it's the way nature is enhancing and optimizing all systems to bring the highest value, that is to maintain the living species, the living organism, the living system in a good health. So what basically circularity would bring to a throwaway economy is to be much more virtuous. It's actually to eliminate our way of doing things, waste to start with. Consider waste as nature do, like food or material for design. Basically, we need to understand that the biological circle where nutriments are designed to enter into the biosphere safely, the technical materials have to be designed to circulate in the highest quality without entering into the biosphere. So this is really where I see the value of circularity. We know that it's also an hyper-system of system approach, where we can consider people, planet, and profit in a very balanced way. So it's really interrogating the relationship with materials, the extraction, the way we transform those materials into goods, into the way we use them, and instead of losing them, how we can reuse, maintain, and keep it in highest value into the system. So this is really a dynamic movement. It's about interaction, it's about being iterative, and definitely, I would say it will start by changing a mindset. In addition, circular economy is by essence restorative and regenerative by design. I'm a designer, so I will give you my expertise as a designer. We call it circular design, or we at Dassault Systèmes also use the term design for life. So the value and the true value of circularity is really about leveraging the way design think in the way we approach the full economy of value. So we really start by imagining a framework of value that gets much wider than the narrow financial result approach. It's about embracing a much more large and dynamic metaphor instead of just this traditional opposition. So it's really about trying to provide value to everyone, as the nature shows us, where every stakeholders are having a voice into the new framework of value. It's also leveraging scenarios in which the usage is actually enabling us to find and discover new interferences among the stakeholders. Any node and any flows that can generate potentiality new capital flow. This is really a dynamic approach. It's not about a technology or engineering solution. It's about engaging and collaborate all together by embracing a bigger system of system approach, by understanding the systemic interaction among all of the stakeholders and how we can leverage creativity, collaboration, contribution. It's really about defining a new common, the planet and the biosphere, as a space in which we're going to have to work with.